Are you passionate about capturing the perfect shot, but unsure which camera will help you achieve your photography goals? Choosing the right camera can be a transformative step in your creative journey, whether you're a budding amateur or a seasoned pro. With countless options on the market, it can feel overwhelming to navigate through specifications and features. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best cameras for photography available today, highlighting their unique strengths and how they cater to different styles and skill levels. Let's dive into the world of photography and find the perfect companion for your next photographic adventure. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the GoPro Hero 12 Black Waterproof Action Camera. The GoPro Hero 12 Black represents a significant advancement in the realm of action cameras, staying true to GoPro's legacy while offering you impressive enhancements in both video quality and battery performance. If you've appreciated the versatility of the 8:7 aspect ratio from previous models, you'll be pleased to know it remains here, accompanied by the support for vibrant 10-bit color, ideal for showcasing your adventures in stunning detail. A standout feature of the Hero 12 Black is its new vertical mode, a game changer for content creators like you who thrive on social media. Imagine capturing your experiences in 5.3K video at 60 frames per second, or going for 4K at 120 frames per second. What's more, you can even push the boundaries with 2K at a blistering 240 frames per second. Whatever your creative needs, this camera equips you to bring your vision to life. Additionally, the new HyperSmooth 6 image stabilization will be a revelation for maintaining clarity in your shots. With enhanced capabilities that address camera shake and incorporate horizon leveling, you can confidently shoot dynamic footage without worrying about bumpy rides. In essence, the GoPro Hero 12 Black not only consolidates your place at the forefront of adventure and action filming, but also empowers you to express your storytelling through breathtaking visuals. It's more than just a camera. It's your partner in capturing life's exhilarating moments. At number 4, Nikon D780 DSLR Body. The Nikon D780 is not just another DSLR, it's designed for those of you who are ready to elevate your photography. If you've been working with a beginner camera, the D780 will feel like a revelation. Its rugged build means you can take it on long shoots in diverse environments without worrying about damage, perfect for the adventurous photographer in you. Equipped with the same robust internals as Nikon's professional-grade cameras, the D780 ensures you are prepared for any challenge. Its advanced 51-point autofocus system is both fast and accurate, allowing you to capture stunning images at an impressive speed of 7 frames per second. Imagine the thrill of shooting dynamic scenes, whether it's a bustling street or a serene landscape, and never missing a moment. One of the most significant benefits of the D780 is its quick focus locking feature. You'll spend less time fiddling with settings and more time immersed in capturing the world around you. Whether you're shooting stunning landscapes or fast-moving subjects, you can trust this camera to keep pace with your creativity. Overall, the D780 is more than just a tool. It's an extension of your vision, helping you turn fleeting moments into lasting memories. If you're ready to invest in your passion and capture the beauty of life through your lens, the D780 will empower you to take your photography to new heights. Number 3, we have the Panasonic Lumix FZ300 Long Zoom Digital Camera. If you find yourself drawn to capturing the thrill of sports and the beauty of wildlife, but appreciate the ease and affordability of a point-and-shoot camera, the Panasonic Lumix DMC FZ300 may be your ideal choice. With a remarkable 24x zoom lens, this camera offers an extensive range that makes it perfect for birdwatching, documenting exciting stadium events, and even chronicling your travels. While other options may provide greater portability for long trips, the FZ300 excels in versatility and function. You'll appreciate the exceptional image quality this camera delivers thanks to its f2.8 constant aperture lens, which is a significant advantage over typical small sensor super zooms. Whether you're following fast-paced action or capturing spontaneous moments, its rapid autofocus and continuous burst shooting make it effortless to get the shot you want. The FZ300 is designed with user-friendliness in mind. Its high-quality electronic viewfinder and adjustable touchscreen allow you to frame your shots with ease, whether you're taking selfies or shooting from unique angles. Plus, its weather-sealed DSLR-style body is not only comfortable to hold for extended periods, but also comes loaded with customizable controls, giving you the flexibility to tailor your shooting experience. For those who want a powerful, accessible camera that doesn't sacrifice quality for convenience, the Panasonic Lumix DMC FZ300 stands out as an excellent choice. Embrace your passion for photography with a tool that enhances your creativity and captures your adventures beautifully. At number 2, Canon EOS R10 Mirrorless Vlogging Camera. The Canon EOS R10 is an exceptional entry-level camera that offers impressive performance, making it an ideal choice as you begin your photography journey. Its intuitive user interface is designed specifically for beginners like you, allowing easy navigation through settings without feeling overwhelmed. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, so you can immerse yourself in capturing stunning images instead of struggling with the gear. One of the R10's standout features is its highly accurate autofocus system. This means you can achieve sharp, clear shots even in challenging lighting or fast-paced situations, ideal for capturing those unforgettable moments at sports events or family gatherings. Plus, its quick burst shooting capability allows you to freeze action effortlessly. Battery life is another strong point, enabling you to focus on your creative pursuits without the constant worry of recharging. When it comes to video, the R10 impresses with 4K recording capabilities at up to 60 frames per second. This allows you to create smooth, high-quality footage, although do note there is a slight crop in this mode. While it may lack advanced features like log profiles, the 10-bit capture and HDR perceptual quantization mode still offers vibrant colors and depth in your videos. In summary, the Canon EOS R10 delivers quality performance, user-friendly design, and versatility, making it a fantastic choice for capturing the world around you as you develop your photography skills. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Sony Alpha 7 IV Full-frame Mirrorless Camera. If you're looking for a versatile camera that excels in both photography and videography, the Sony Alpha 7 IV is an excellent choice. Designed with serious photographers in mind, this model boasts a robust, weather-sealed body that withstands various shooting conditions, ensuring your gear is protected when you need it most. One of the standout features of the Alpha 7 IV is its dual SD card slots, allowing for seamless storage management or backup during shooting sessions. Additionally, you have the option to utilize a CF Express card for enhanced performance, especially when capturing high-resolution images or extended video. The camera's in-body image stabilization helps you achieve sharp, clear images, even in low light or when shooting handheld. Coupled with a high-resolution viewfinder, you can compose your shots with precision and clarity. At the heart of the Alpha 7 IV lies a remarkable backside illuminated full-frame sensor, offering an impressive 33-megapixel resolution. This added pixel count provides more flexibility for cropping, enabling you to refine your compositions without sacrificing detail. The camera also delivers a wide dynamic range, allowing you to capture stunning images with rich tones and textures. With the Sony Alpha 7 IV, you're not just investing in a camera, you're empowering your creative vision. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes, intimate portraits, or dynamic action shots, this camera is designed to help you push the boundaries of your photography. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which camera for photography you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.